Attention, Mr. Archie Saez.
Balik mo. Let's go, Chan. Nice, Chan.
Nice.
Okay lang yan. Oh, service. Question. Nice, Chan. Nice.
Match number 5, singles C2, elementary girls. Table 4.
Let's go, Chan.
Between Victoria Reyes Elementary School, Chloe Bayot versus San Miguel Elementary School.
Service po, Kuya Chan. Fight.
Umpire,
Abol.
Archie Saez.
Chan. Dahan-dahan lang.
Ball, match number 5, singles C2. Table 2. Match between Victoria Reyes Elementary School, Miss Chloe Bayot versus San Miguel Elementary School.